Customer First, Revolutionizing the Customer Experience with Digital Solutions. Part 2, Personalizing Customer Interactions. Personalization isn't just a buzzword, it's the key to winning customer loyalty in the digital age. But how do you scale personalized interactions without spending hours on manual work? That's exactly what we're covering today. Let's dive in. Why personalization matters. Think of a customer's journey as the path they take from discovering your brand to becoming a loyal advocate. In today's digital world, this journey is no longer a straight line, it's a dynamic, multi-touch point experience. From social media ads to email follow-ups, website visits, and chatbots, each digital interaction plays a crucial role in shaping how a customer perceives your brand. Key technologies for personalization. Let's talk about the tools that make personalization possible. First, CRM systems like HubSpot or Salesforce help businesses keep track of customer interactions. Then, AI-driven analytics predict customer behavior, and targeted marketing platforms help deliver the right message at the right time. Examples of personalized marketing tactics. So how does personalization actually work in marketing? Here are 3 proven strategies. Dynamic email content. Tailor emails based on user behavior, such as abandoned cart reminders or product recommendations. Website personalization. Amazon does this best, showing personalized product suggestions based on past searches. Exclusive offers. Provide special discounts based on customer loyalty or previous purchases. Success stories. Personalization in action. Now let's take a look at real businesses that have leveraged personalization successfully. Netflix uses AI to recommend content tailored to each user, keeping engagement high. Sephora uses personalized beauty quizzes and loyalty programs to boost repeat sales. Spotify curates Discover weekly playlists based on user listening habits. These brands prove that personalization isn't just for big corporations. Every business can implement some form of tailored customer engagement. Now it's your turn. Take one step toward personalization, whether it's segmenting your email list, adding AI-driven product recommendations, or setting up an automated CRM workflow. Let me know in the comments what you're implementing first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next part of our series where we'll explore how automation can streamline your customer experience. See you there.